Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar, Jay Wheeler. Jay Wheeler back again with me, Todo. Alright, so this one is this melody here that goes in the same way through the entire song. Very slow paced, and yeah, I like it actually, so I hope you do it as well. If you want to learn it, stay tuned here. We're gonna play this one without any capo, alright? We don't have to learn any chords either. Of course, there are chords in the background that builds up this music pattern, but we don't have to learn the actual grips. We're not gonna go work with strumming at all, just the notes from it. So I can just mention the first part is based upon an A minor 7 chord. Okay, and it goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna play open A together with open B, and then you're gonna hammer on the first B to get the first B as well. You don't have to play it or pluck it here with just picking hand. So just pick the first open B with open A, then I add on the first B there. So then you're going to continue with open G, then open A, and open E, high E. So short pause after that comes the E minor part. This is a part based upon E minor. It goes like this. And a pause. So that is open E string in the bass together with open B string. Then open G and second D. Then we come to the next part, which is based upon an F chord. It goes like this. So you're going to start with first E in the bass. And you're gonna play that together with open G, and then in the same technical manner as the A minor, you're gonna hammer on the second G string. So you start with first E together with open G string, and then you hammer on the second G. That, and then you continue with second G, third D, and open E, high E string. Short pause, and then you add the last note, which is the second G. So this part goes. And then you have the final part, it's based upon G, it goes like this. So that is third fret on E string together with third B string, then open G, then third E, high E string, short pause, and then the last two notes are first fret B string and open B. I just pluck the first B and then I pull off. You know, I don't have to pluck 2 times, I just pull off to get the open B. And that is the end note of this little music pattern here. So slowly it goes like this, or actually we can go in standard tempo because it's that slow still. Let's do it. And then you just go round and round like that. Try to get the notes to ring out because it's not too much of a sound otherwise. So let them ring out so you have music there that fills out the gap between the pauses. Alright, so that's how you handle Jay Wheelers, me, Todo. Give it a try. And if you enjoyed the tutorial, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. Jay Wheeler, he will be back for sure. So thank you and play tuned.